Affirmations. Affirmations are one of the most important elements of creative visualization. To affirm means to make it firm. An affirmation is a strong, positive statement that something is already so. It is a way of making firm that which you are imagining. Most of us are aware of the fact that we have a nearly continuous inner dialogue going on in our minds. The mind is so busy talking to itself, keeping up an endless commentary about the life, the world, our feelings, our problems, and other people. The words and ideas that run through our mind are very, very important. Most of the time, we aren't consciously aware of the stream of thoughts, and yet we are telling ourselves in our mind this is the basis on which we form our experience of reality. Our mental commentary influences and colors our feelings and perceptions about what is going on in our lives. And it is this thought forms the ultimate attract and create everything that happens to us. Anyone who has participated in meditation knows how difficult it is to be quiet in this inner mind talk in order to connect to our deeper and wiser intuitive mind. One traditional practice of meditation involves simply observing the inner dialogue and objectivity as much as possible. This is very valuable experience as it allows you to become consciously aware of what to connect of your thoughts. Many of these thoughts are like tape recorded of old patterns which we have had in our lives. There are old programming we picked up long ago which is still influencing what's happening to us today. For example, we might find that habitually think self-defending thoughts such as I am not going to be able to do this particular activity today, or you may also think like this is never going to work out right if I do this. So our mind keeps telling this. The practice of engaging in affirmations allow us to begin replacing some of our state, worn out and negative mind chatter with the more positive ideas and concepts. It is a powerful technique, one which can help in short time to transform many of our attitudes and expectations about the life, and thereby help to change what we create for ourselves for betterment of our life. Affirmations can be done silently, spoken aloud, written down, or even sung or enchanted. Even 10 minutes a day of repeating affirmative affirmations can contribute to many years old mental habits to be changed. If you become aware of that, of repeating habitual negative thought patterns or attitudes, try saying an affirmation to yourself for a few times right and then and there. For example, if you find yourself thinking, oh, what's the use? I will never get and I want. I'll never get that I want. You might say to yourself that I have an ability to create what I want in my life, or I deserve to be happy and fulfilled. An affirmation can be any positive statement. It can be very general and very specific as well. There are an indefinite number of possible affirmations. Here are just few to give some ideas that you can think of. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Keep telling, get in front of a mirror. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Everything I need is coming to me easily and effortlessly. Start saying that today. My life is blossoming into total perfection. My life is blossoming into total perfection. I have everything I need to enjoy here and now. I have everything I need to enjoy here and now. I am the master of my life. I control my life. I am master of my life. I control my life. Everything I need is already within me and I am capable of achieving it. Perfect wisdom is in my heart and my heart is as pure as it is. I am whole and complete in myself. I love and appreciate myself just as I am. I love and appreciate myself just as I am. I accept all my feelings as a part of me. I accept all my feelings as a part of me. I love to love and be too loud. The more I love myself, the more I love I have to have others. I now give and I receive more love freely. I am now attracting loving, satisfying relations into my life. I am now attracting loving, satisfying relations into my life. You can also further go on to say that you should try to practice the relationship healing. My relationship with so and so is growing happier and more fulfilling every day. My relation with so and so is growing more happier and fulfilling every day. I now have a satisfying, well-paying job. I love doing my work. I am richly rewarded for my work, creativity, and financially. I am an open channel of creative energy. I am an open channel of creative energy. I am dynamically self-expressive. I enjoy relaxing and having fun. I communicate clearly and effectively. I communicate clearly and effectively. I now have enough time, energy, wisdom, and money to accomplish all my desires in my life. I now have enough time, energy, wisdom, and money to accomplish all the desires of my life. I am always in the right place at the right time. I am always in the right place at the right time, successfully engaged in the right activity. It is okay for me to have everything I want. It is okay for me to have everything I want. This is an abundant universe and there is plenty for all of us. This is an abundant universe and there is plenty for all of us to be fulfilled and to be happy. Abundance in my natural state of being. Every day I am growing more financially prosperous. The more I have, the more I have to give. The more I have, the more I have to give. The more I give, the more I receive. The more I give, the more I receive. And the happier I feel. It's okay for me to have fun and enjoy myself, and I do. I am relaxed and centered. I have plenty of time for everything. I have plenty of time for everything. I am now enjoying everything I do. I am now enjoying everything I do. I feel happy just being alive. I feel happy just being alive. I am healthy and beautiful. I am open to receive all my blessings of abundant universe. I am open to receive all the blessings of this abundant universe. It is coming to me easily and effortlessly. I have a wonderful job and a wonderful pay. I do a wonderful service in a wonderful way. The light within me is creating miracles in my life here and now. The life within me is creating a miracles in my life and now. All the things are now working together for the good in my life. I am now attuned to my higher purpose of my life. I now recognize and accept and follow the divine plan of my life and is revealed to me in step by step. I give thanks now for my life of health, happiness, and self expression. I give thanks to for all in my life for the good health, happiness, and self expression. So, right now I have uttered few of the affirmative statements which are very powerful, which are very powerful. We should stand in front of the mirror and start enchanting these words on day basis. Here are some important things that we should remember about affirmations. Always phrase affirmations in present tense and not in future tense. It is important to create your desire as it is already exists. Don't say, I will get a wonderful new job, but rather say, I now have a wonderful new job, which is a present tense. This is not lying to yourself, it is acknowledging the fact that everything is created first on the inner plane before it can manifest in external reality. Always phrase affirmations in the most positive way that you can. Affirm what you can and what you want and don't want also. Don't say, I no longer oversleep in the morning, but rather, I now wake up on time and full of energy in the morning. I now wake up in time and with full of energy in the morning. This ensures that you are creating the most positive and possible mental image. At certain times, you may find it is helpful to phrase affirmations negatively, especially when you are working on clearing out specific emotional blocks or bad habits, such as, I don't need to get tense in order to get things accomplished. I don't need to get tense in order to get things accomplished. If so, you should always follow this type of affirmation with positive one, which you describe to create, such as, I now stay deeply relaxed and centered and everything is accomplished easily and effortlessly. I now stay deeply relaxed and centered and everything is accomplished easily and effortlessly. In general, the shorter and simpler the affirmations, they are more effective. An affirmation should be a clear statement that conveys a strong feeling. The more feeling it conveys, the stronger the impression it makes to your mind. Affirmations that are long, wordy, and theoretically lose their emotional impact and become too mental. Always you should choose affirmations that feel totally right from you. What works for one person may not work for all or another person. Always remember that you are creating something new and fresh. You are not trying to redo or change what already exists. To do so would be the reassist what it is, which creates conflict and struggle. Take the attitude that you would be accepting and handling whatever and already that exists in your life. And at the same time, taking every moment as a new opportunity to begin the creating exactly what you desire and will make you happiest. Affirmations are not meant to contradict or change your feelings or emotions. It is important to accept and experience all your feelings, including so-called negative ones also, without attempting to change them. At the same time, affirmations can help you to create a new point of which you can view your life and will enable you to have more and more satisfying experience from now on. Try as much as possible to create feeling of belief and experience the affirmations can be true. Temporarily, suspend your doubts and hesitatedness and put all your full mental and emotional energy into them. If doubts, resistance, and negative thoughts are getting in the way of doing your affirmations, do one of the cleaning process of writing affirmations. Affirmations can be used alone or in combination with visualization or imagining. It is very difficult to include affirmations as a part of your regular creative visualization or meditation periods. For many people, affirmations are most powerful and inspiring when they include references to a spiritual source, meditation of God and the goddess, the universe, higher power, spirit, Mother Earth, divine love, and whatever phase you prefer. Add spiritual energy to your affirmation and acknowledge the universal source of all the things. Here you can use these type of things when you make that affirmations. I have the infinite creative power of Goddess within me. I have the infinite creative powers of Goddess within me. Divine love is working through me here and now to create this. The God within me is creating miracles in my life here and now. The God whom I believe is within me creating miracles in my life here and now. I am one with Great Spirit. My higher self is guiding me in everything that I do. God lives within me and manifests in the world through me. God lives in me and manifests in the world through me. I give thanks to the Mother Earth for nurturing and sustaining me each and every day as I live. I thank Mother Earth for nurturing and sustaining me each and every day for the life I am having it today. The light of God surrounds me and the love of God enfolds me and the power of God flows through me. Whenever I am, God is with me, in me, above me, around me. He is one with me. Thank you.